Uh okay, so what's up guys? This is a video for when I start my GitHub remake. For those who don't know what my GitHub remake is, I'm going to start. I've been laying off so much on programming since I started doing it. Yes, I've been laying off a bit. I've been lying to myself that I can do stuff. Well, I can, but I've not been trying to do everything that I'm supposed to. I've been giving myself deadlines which I'm not meeting at the time that I specify for myself. So this is the first day. This is where I started. So my plans have gone through some posts on how to do some projects when I start. One of them is doing a 30 project back to back. I don't know how to call it. It's not a competition because it's on myself, obviously. So let's say I'm going to be making 30 projects in the month of March, which is supposed to prepare me to make my what do we call it, my grant project, the grant project I'm going to do on I'm going to do this grant project on April. That's what I'm supposed to do. So by the time I'm finished with this 30 projects, I'm supposed to create one big project which probably I'm going to sell, probably, if it turns out great. So this is the first day. So some some methods, some things I'm going to take onto, things that I'm going to set myself to make sure that I achieve this goal. First of all, I use my phone too much. Like, I won't call myself an addict. Well, I'm not addicted to anything, but I really use my phone, and I'll have to change this. I'll have to minimize my usage of the phone. So also on Medium, I found it from someone I have known, and what he did, he realized that I was using too much time on the phone. Yeah, we have 24 hours a day. He sleeps for around 5 hours. All right, so that leaves him with what, 19 hours in a day, I think. 19, 20, something, I don't know. 19 hours. So in the 19 hours, well, he has 16 hours on the phone. 3 hours that he uses that are left then are just for, I think, just doing anything. So I realized I'm also like him. Well, actually, sometimes I only sleep for 5 hours or 6 or 7 or 8 depending on the day, and the rest, actually, I usually use my phone like the number of times, because that's the lesser. The number of hours that I don't use my phone is like, I don't know. I think 3 hours. 3 hours what I don't. I think we're on the same thing. Yeah, like not even 3 hours. Yeah, 3 hours. And I think it's only when I'm in class, because every other time I'm either on my laptop or on my phone. So I'm going to reduce that. Actually, that's why I made this video. Kind of, yes, that's why I made this video, because well, I'll need to minimize on how I use my phone, and I'm trying. I initially wanted to do it like the guy that I read did it. It was supposed to be on 2 hours in the morning and 2 hours in the evening. But well, so I can't do that because, well, I know myself. So I'm going to put it on, let's say, a maximum of 8 hours, but I want to use 3 hours in the morning, 3 hours in the evening. But let's say 1 hour, maximum 2 in between, whether if I have some breaks. I have breaks between what I'm to be doing when I'm doing the projects or something, because, well, I still need some time also to read. So anytime I have some time to do anything, that's what I think I'm going to be doing. Yeah. So day one, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to start with the project that I've done previously, which is, okay, so I started with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, went to Angular, and did some TypeScript also. Then went to Python, the script language that I've learned. Python. Yeah, Python, I did some of it, just pure Python. And then did a full mock for it, Flask, which I kind of grasped. Well, it acted as an introduction to me, which helped me understand Python better. Well, at least Python, which then acted as a base for understanding Django, which I think I'm actually very good at. I actually commend myself. Yeah. I'm treating my own horn now. So, so I'm going to start with that. I'm going to start with. I think because of time, I think I'll just start with the basic project, which contains HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Alright, I'll make one page HTML. Yeah, I think I'll take a project. I know I'll get the project and disclose. I'll get my project and create something in JavaScript, which will encompass most of the basic things. After which I will then move on to Angular. Yes, I'll move on to Angular. Then after Angular, I'll do another project which will encompass most of the basic things. Then I'll move on to Flask, which actually acted as a real problem to me. Okay, not before Flask, I'll do some Python, some raw Python codes, something to just keep me started. After that, I'll just do one project in each, which will act as what? Let's say JavaScript, HTML, CSS. Let's say those are 2 projects I'll do, or one. Let's say one for HTML, JavaScript, one for Angular, one for Flask, one for raw Python, one for Django. That's 5 projects, right? So with the 5 projects, I think I'll have jump-started my mind. I'll have gotten used to setting my time well and trying to finish things on time and meet my own deadlines, because I'm planning on giving myself, because I already know this stuff, I'm going to be giving myself some very realistic deadlines. That's what I'll do. Yeah, I'll give myself realistic deadlines which I know I'll finish. I won't give myself like an evening to do a whole project, because I know probably won't. So I'll be giving myself realistic. I'll be saying everything before I start. I'll be giving myself everything. Yeah, I do not talk too much. So after that, those 5 projects, then I'll probably by the end of this month I'll have known how to make basically just a basic app. So the grand project is going to encompass a little bit of JavaScript, most of HTML, CSS, obviously, because they are markup languages. After which I will have a web page. I have a web page containing Django. Actually, only the Django that will make it out of. Yeah, and I'll have to open up. I'll have to be very, very good in database, because I'm planning on making an app. I'll have to be logged in by a couple of users, 3 types of users. One of the users will be using the website, the other 2 of which will be using the app on the phone. Okay, I think, but they can all access it through the website, but only 2 can access it through the app. Yeah, I think that's how I'm going to make it. So I really need some good basics on database. So I think my 6th project will be on databases. Yeah, after which now on databases plus now 7 to 30, I guess, will include my Android. No, 7 to 30 will now encompass from everything else: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular, Flask, Python, Django, databases, and Java, and also Android, because I understand that I need Android, probably Swift. I'm not sure if I'll do Swift if time actually accepts. The 30-day project won't be limited to March, actually. but I'll make sure that the first 5 projects will be completed through March. Once I'm done with that in March, I can start off the grand project in April as I continue filling my 30 project. I don't know what to call it. I'll look for a better name for it. I'll look around. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, so the one. I think let me scan and see which project I'll do. Yes, there has to be like one project which I know I can do. I can't be entirely blank. Yeah. For anyone who will be wondering, this is Spotify. Got it from some guy. Give me some very weird way of getting Spotify. You know, Spotify is not even in Kenya. So this is what we've been making here. I found that some acoustic, I don't know if that's the correct spelling, the pronunciation, sorry for that. Acoustic, this coffee radio, this rudimental like this. Locator, yeah, Tiki-Touch. There's some good songs to listen to while doing some coding, so I'll be listening to them. Probably be sharing them in between just to ease the pressure. Yeah, acoustic covers. Well, you can hear them right now. They're good. They're really nice to listen to when you're coding. They give you that concentration. They don't have so much of the people's sounds. Mostly are beats, lo-fi hip-hop and acoustic covers.
World was on fire. No one could save me.
Really good recording. They're simple. They might make you feel sleepy, but they're better than reggae at least. Can't listen to reggae recording. So yeah, there's a dance party.
Let me live on the line. I got a little freakiness inside, and you know that the man has got to deal with it. I don't care what they say. I'm not about to bend nobody's way, 'cause it's all about the dog in me. I want a freak in the morning, a freak in the evening, just like me. Just that brother that can satisfy me, just for me. What kind of man? 'Cause I'm that kind of girl. I got every secret, everybody's secret.
Yeah, that's it. I'm going to start off this. I'll be making a video, I think, every time I'm about to start a project and after I do a project, so that I can actually have I can be consistent. Yeah, the videos will help me be consistent in making my time, in helping me arrange my time, because I have a lot of things to do. Wow, it's only March. Yeah, and I'm already on day 5. Day 5 is when I'm starting. I was supposed to start this on February actually. Yeah, let's hope I'm going to finish this by. I only have 4 weeks to do 5 projects. Wow, that means that there's a week that I'll have to do 2 projects. And I think this is the first week because HTML, CSS, JavaScript, yeah, and Angular. I think I'll put both of them in one week. Yeah, so that's it. Yeah, so I'll be posting these videos on YouTube so that we are well. I can keep track, and maybe one day will help us as someone's new. Plus, I'll be updating my video, my code on GitHub for HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular. I think Angular. Plus the functionality of the website. Once I'm on Python, I also put some Python, Flask and Django. I'll have to put them on Heroku to be live, but I'll also have the code on GitHub. The rest I'll also put them on GitHub and look for other sites. I hope I'll teach myself. By the end of this year, I'm supposed to have learned how to use Swift, Java, Android. I'm supposed to be fluent in making apps. Yeah, in all platforms supported. I hear that Python can do some stuff, but I'm not sure it can do it. Yeah. So day 1. This is where it begins. This is where it all began. This is where it all begins. Calendar, let's go to the calendar. Oh yes, here's some things I'm supposed to make. Create a voice recognizer for writing essays. I was supposed to write some. I think that will be one of my projects. Yeah, I have to put it on my project. So, thank you much at 11:41 p.m. on Tuesday. I started my first set HTS today. Yeah, so see you on the next video. Thanks.